lovely friends, so I will be unboxing the Benefit's newest mascara, which I attended their online launch a couple of days ago. Mascaras are important and not important for me. In a way, it's super important for me if it works. If it doesn't work, sorry, talagang I won't be using it. I'd rather go for falsies. So here's what's inside. Attract good vibes. Ha, para sa akin to. I love good vibes. What's this? Ooh, ano to? Ang cool. Wait. A mirror light. Nice. And it's frosted pink. Lighting really makes you look better. Forever na lang sana ang ganun. Next is, of course, dun-dun-dun-dun. Ang ganda talaga ng packaging nila. This is the They're Real Magnet Extreme Length Powerful Lift Mascara. It has magnet daw. I don't understand how or why, pero it has. Feeling ko some kind of a same concept din siya with those magnetic falsies. Alam nyo yun? Yung parang i-apply nyo yung eyeliner tapos didikit lang ninyo yung falsies. Na parang may magnet to magnet. Something like that. So probably that same concept. And let's open because I'm so excited. Sana it works for me. Sana, please, Lord. Packaging! Ang ganda, may magnet, ang cute, I swear. Like one of the best packaged, very eye-catching packaging talagang Benefits. So, first look! OMG guys, I don't wanna say anything pero kita naman ninyo yung difference guys. Like in person, it's much better. Pero for you to be able to see my lashes on video, wow. Seryoso. I'm so excited for this. Okay. Second was, I am so excited for this mascara. Finally. Okay. Okay, first impression, my maximum is 3. That's just me. You can go for more. It's non-clumping. It's not super dry. It's not dry actually. And it's not crunchy. Hindi siya chicharon. And OMG, I can see my lashes on video, guys. Promise, better in person. Actually, they almost have the same head or probably the same brush head like that of the old one, but formulation is definitely way much better. So I really super love it for first try. So you guys try it and let me know how it works for you, but I super love it. One of the best so far that I've tried to date. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!